Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Bentley GT Speed versus Bentley GT. We will delve into the exhilarating world of Bentley's Grand Tourers, examining the key differences between the potent GT Speed and the refined GTW12. Our discussion will cover everything from their powerful engines and acceleration capabilities to their distinctive styling cues and the overall driving sensations they provide. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of what makes each model unique. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles are truly exceptional. The GT Speed is equipped with an uprated 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering a formidable 650 horsepower. Its counterpart, the standard GTW12, also features a 6.0-liter W12, producing a robust 626 horsepower. Both models share an impressive 664 pound-feet of torque. This translates to blistering acceleration, with the speed reaching 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, while the GTW12 follows closely at 3.6 seconds. Beyond performance, these Bentleys differentiate themselves through design and exclusive features. The GT Speed showcases a more aggressive stance, often identified by its dark-tinted grille, black badging, and distinctive elliptical exhaust tips. Inside, it offers a unique duotone color split with Alcantara, sports pedals, and illuminated speed tread plates. The standard GTW12, while equally luxurious, presents a more traditional and refined aesthetic, focusing on timeless elegance. Both exemplify Bentley's commitment to handcrafted luxury and meticulous attention to detail. The driving experience is where these two truly diverge. The GT Speed is engineered for maximum engagement, featuring electronic all-wheel steering and an electronic limited-slip differential for unparalleled agility. Its 8-speed dual-clutch transmission offers shifts twice as fast in sport mode, enhancing its dynamic character. The standard GTW12, however, excels in delivering a supremely comfortable and effortlessly powerful grand touring experience. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize the ultimate in performance and sportiness or a slightly more relaxed, yet still incredibly potent, luxurious journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.